Good afternoon, this is Seth Pickens with Live Oak Exteriors out here at Frank and Flavia's house today. I got my coworker Dave here recording me. Just want to say I do appreciate the repair estimate that we got from Allstate, updated it from 14 shingles to roughly 20 squares of the 40 square roof here. Well, there's numerous in this section, but here is a documented wind damage shingle. You can see the crease across here. I'm going to attempt to repair this area. Obviously with the 20 squares worth, there's going to be a lot of different repairs area if we chose to go that route. So during this process, I'm going to take my time. I'm going to make sure I'm not bending the shingle over 45 degrees and be as careful as I possibly can. So I'm just going to put a little mark here. This is the damaged shingle. Obviously, being a 3-tab, we have to remove these 3. So these are going to be the ones that are potentially compromised throughout. So I'm going to use my dull-tipped crowbar and start unsealing some of these shingles. Corners already up. Okay. One more, the corner's already up. Okay. All right, everybody's unsealed. Move down to these. Okay. Now that these are all sealed, I'm going to try to remove the nails here. Got it. I just want to note here, I'm only through this first part. You can actually see a crease starting to form across this specific shingle here. But I'm going to continue as carefully as I can. Yep. Alright, so now it's easy. Damaged shingle is out. Set this guy back here behind us. And then all I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a light swipe across the tops of these shingles where they were manipulated after I get the rest of these nails out. This is going to be a few here. Do a little light swipe here. As you can see, lightly swiping here, every single one of these shingles is forming a crease across the top of here the entire time. So, and that was just from pulling the shingle out. So now I'd have to manipulate it even more to put a new shingle in. So personally, I don't feel comfortable continuing with this. So I'm going to run back down to the truck and get a tarp. We'll put this on here. I'm going to deem this roof non-repairable, so this will be a fail. And realistically, the only way, now knowing what we know, to benefit the customer here is going to be full replacement. Like I said, pretty much every single one of these slopes have damaged shingles on them, and this is going to do a lot more harm than good. So I'm going to tarp this, and I'll get you the video ASAP. Thanks.